Hi, I'm John Hornick. Welcome to my Sauces to Die For series. This lesson is Petit Sirah sauce a la Michel. This delicious sauce is made from the braising liquid remaining from making my braised beef short ribs a la Michel in my Michel Richard tribute series. I made the sauce by reducing the braising liquid, then adding butter and cream. It's full of flavor and decadently rich, and it can also be made from pork braising sauce. The list of the ingredients and the video assume that you have not yet reduced the braising liquid. So you should be starting with about 4 cups of braising liquid, and you'll be reducing it to 2 cups. Then you will make the sauce for the number of guests you'll be serving. For every 4 guests, mix 9 tablespoons of the reduced braising liquid with the amount of butter and cream listed in the notes. But feel free to experiment, adding more or less butter or cream to your taste. So let's start cooking. All right, now we're going to strain the vegetables out of the braising liquid. And as you've probably seen in my other videos, I'm going to press the liquid through the strainer. And sometimes that works better with a rubber spatula, and sometimes it works better with a wooden spoon. So I'm going to use whichever one is necessary to get this through the strainer. There's going to be solids left, okay? You don't have to push all the solids through the strainer. And then we're going to rinse off the spatula or the spoon and get the sauce off the bottom of the strainer. We don't want to lose that good stuff, okay? Okay, I think that that's all the solids that are going to go through. Clean off the bottom. Okay, we have about 4 cups of liquid in this saucepan here. Now we're going to turn it on to medium heat, bring it just to a boil, and then we're going to moderate the heat so it's just gently bubbling, and we're going to reduce it by about half. So we'll be reducing it to about 2 cups. Okay, we have reduced this sauce by about half, so we now have about 2 cups. Okay, now let's make the sauce for our ravioli. I'm starting with 9 tablespoons of the reduced braising liquid, okay, from making the braised short ribs. Now, I'm going to add in 4.5 tablespoons of butter. Keep the heat low. We don't want the sauce to boil. And we're going to swirl that butter in there so it's all melted in and incorporated. Okay, all of the butter has been incorporated. Now we're going to add some cream, right? Add in 1.5 tablespoons of cream. Oops, too much. There we go. Mix it in. Now we're going to add a little salt. Stir it up. And taste it. Good, excellent. You can just barely taste the salt coming through. That is the sauce for our ravioli. This will be enough for 4 people.